Hello Year 11 and Year 11 parents, thank you very much for taking the time to have a look at A-Level Chemistry. My name is Mrs Napier and I'm part of the science team that has responsibility for delivering the A-Level content of the chemistry course, and also there is Mr Smith and Mr Atkinson in the team. The course is split into three parts. There's organic chemistry, which is the chemistry of carbon, inorganic chemistry, which looks at every other element on the periodic table, and physical chemistry cuts across both inorganic and organic, looking at chemical structure of elements and compounds, their properties, and also trying to understand how chemical reactions take place. The qualification is linear, and that means that you sit all of your exams at the end of year 13. There are 3 two-hour papers, and we will prepare you very well for that through internal exams over the 2 years. In addition to the exam papers, there are 12 compulsory practicals that we have to do. We also do many others as well to help consolidate the theoretical aspects that we do, but that also helps you to develop competencies to pass the practical endorsement. The practical endorsement is just either a pass or a fail, and that is teacher assessed. It is very unusual for people to fail that part, so there's nothing to worry about there at all, but we will give you plenty of opportunities over the 2 years to develop your competencies there so that you're well positioned to pass that at the end of year 13. The entry requirements for chemistry: if you have done the single sciences, we would ask for a 6 in chemistry and single science, or if you've done combined science, then 2 5s are required. There's a considerable amount of maths in chemistry, particularly in the physical side, so we would ask for a 5 in maths and also a 5 in English. You may wonder what kind of combinations of A-levels people tend to do if they're taking chemistry, but these are the typical combinations that we see in front of us here. Most people will take chemistry in combination with physics, biology, maths and further maths, geography and PE, although I have had 1 or 2 do politics and history in the past. But the list that's sitting in front of you at the moment is the general combinations that we would typically see A-level students taking. Chemistry is required for quite a number of courses at university. I've made a list of them here. It's not exhaustive by any means, but typically the dentistry, medicine, veterinary medicine, all of these things would require chemistry, as well as everything else that you see listed down the left hand side of the screen. I've also included on the right hand side some courses that require chemistry as an additional science. Midwifery, nursery and physiotherapy, sports science tend to require biology, but they would probably ask for a second science, and in which case chemistry would fit in quite nicely there if that's a career that you're considering. What jobs can an A-level in chemistry lead to? It's quite diverse actually. Chemistry is a very well respected A-level. It can open many doors for you, and the ones that are listed down the left are typically for people who have done chemistry at university, so analytical chemists, production chemists and so forth, but it can open many other doors in other aspects of research, manufacturing and education. I've even included a lawyer on the right hand side there, because even jobs like that, particularly lawyers working in the chemical industry, may require a working knowledge of chemistry to try and help them through their jobs as well. So hopefully that has given you an insight into the course, an insight into any jobs that you can do, and Mr Atkinson, Mr Smith and myself would be pleased to talk to you about the chemistry course and what you could do with it, and come and see us. We're all enthusiastic chemists. We'd love to have you on board. Good luck with your choices, and hopefully we'll see you in A-level chemistry.